Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview in washing machine BEKO. So there we have the control dial to turn on or off or select the program. This button is for a set temperature. The next one is for a spinning speed. This button is for a pre-wash function. This one is a quick laundry. This one is a extra rain. There we have a start and pause button, and there we have indicators about the doors, washing cycle, spinning, the end of the washing or reset, and the fresh therapy function. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.